Hello, this is Paul Milligan for IC Show TV at IC 2016. I'm joined today by Kai Schoenberg from Eyevis. Welcome, Kai.
Hello.
We're here to talk today about eyeUNIFY, your new video software. It's open source. Can you tell me the reasons why you decided to go down this particular route?
Yeah. So it's a good question, and you are not the first person who is asking it for it. So we think there is an opportunity for the customer, as it is open source, so he can also review the code and see that it is safe, even with this NSA stuff behind of it. So we have nothing to hide there or to be not open source. So that's the reason why we are saying this is a new strategy. And even if you're looking at other software vendors, so the IT is moving more and more to open source in the world. So.
And sometimes when you give products away for free, there's maybe a negative connection with that. Can you tell me how you're kind of getting around that and how you're letting people know that it's still a quality product even though it is for free?
If you say it is for free, yes, you can download it, it's for free, you can use it, but it's not that it's some students are making it in their free time, so it's still, we are behind the software with our name to it, so we are looking at that the quality is fine. Sure. And as I said before, we are also offering support contracts to it, so you can be sure that we are looking after it even if there is a problem.
Yeah. So there's still a lot of kind of high level of Eyevis expertise behind it, regardless of its free value.
Yeah, of course.
Wonderful. Guy, thank you very much for your time.
Yeah.
Hello, this is Paul Milligan for IC Show TV at IC 2016. I'm joined today by Max Wink from Eyevis. Welcome, Max. First question to you. For many years, projection was always king in the AV world, but now videos have become the dominant AV display technology in the past few years. What are the main reasons you think for this big shift?
Well, the main reason is definitely that there are products available now for video walls which can compete with projection in terms of resolution, in terms of bezel-free display of images, in terms of pricing. So we now have, well, there is not the video wall you can talk about. It always depends on the application you have. So you can have video walls which can replace projections, but projections still have their position. For example, if you think about cinemas or any dome projections or nice projections, mapping things they do. But for most other applications, projection is not the technology in use because you have so many issues with if you have blending with multiple projections, you have issues with ambient light effects and things like that. So that's where all the technologies which light from themselves, from the video wall side, are the matter of choice.
Sure. Yeah. How important do you feel content is in getting the most out of a good video wall? And is that something that you guys have to speak to integrators and consultants about?
Content is a big issue, especially when we see it every other year when we come to the show. We are, from a starting point, we are the manufacturer of the hardware, but of course we want to have the best content available and to show all the benefits our screen can give to the user. So you need to have special content produced for video wall. You cannot compare it to content you have at home on your TV or on your local desktop monitor in terms of resolution, in terms of showing all the benefits screen technology can give to you.
Do you think there's still a lot of education needed out there in the marketplace about content for video walls?
So often it's a shame that people buy a video wall which could present high quality content in the best way, and then they plug an HDMI 1080p signal to a huge video wall, and that's just a shame. That's not making the best out of the technology which you purchased.
Sure. I mean, are you seeing things getting better in that regard, or is it still quite frustrating?
It is getting better. So, for example, in terms of 4K video, we had 4K screens for a couple of years now already, but there was no proper 4K content available. Now, as it gets more popular in the consumer area, content is produced for such things.
Okay.
So
Max,
it gets better.
That's great. Thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you.